Yeah, man. Blessed. Glory be to the Most. I give thanks to life. You know who it is. Well, my name is Glenn Wright Dad. You know what I mean? I'm the writer of the movie them from Richard Brown Films and JAMMIWOOD and One King Films. And I've done a look at assistant on some different channels, same way, you know what I mean? So, the producer, I'm a producer too. So, me and Richie run the company, Crossway, JAMMIWOOD and Richard Brown Films. One company, one movements, but two different locations. Richie the Peter Seal, with the Froome, right? So, this is a remake. We think say spread the wings, it'll be better because the mission is Jamaica movie industry. So today we're here about a different inquiry. Watch it and listening. Give me love. Give me love. Rastafari. Yeah, man, glory be to the Most. I give thanks to life. Blessed morning, you know, as we proceed. Yeah. So the vehicle that I'm driving now, it's not mine. The people that is coming for it, I'm you know, so I have to look forward to get a vehicle for yourself, so to speak, because you love the movie them and you take what it takes to do them, right? It's like no budget because we don't really have the resources and we don't want country part. Then I look out for the people them who are the good. You have police that look for bad man. They don't have nobody that look for the people who are the good. So we are the people them that's doing good, and while doing good, it's gonna be rough. So now we need a vehicle to drive up and down for do the scene them, catch different scenery. If we are go a river, go shoot a river scene. If we are go Mandeville, anywhere we are going to an island, we need a vehicle that we can move around. Plus on a daily basis, we probably live now. It's on a scheme, we're in a one scheme, so you know you go one item from the shop and things and them way there. You understand what I mean? So you need the vehicle for up and down to get things done faster when you are shoot. You know what I mean? So this is what we are look forward for. So we are look for the donation them for towards specifically, you know, to get a vehicle. Yeah. So when you donate, if you want your name call, you can't know say your name call. So then you are part of the development of the JAMMIWOOD movements, because it's a must. In one country part, slavery done already. We're still a slave here. You know what I mean? That's why the country is so vile. So if you know about Jamaica, you can tell why Jamaica is so vile, because it's lack of opportunity. And what do good, no get no recognition. You know what I mean? So hope say this reach to the right age where them can understand say we do need help to proceed what we're doing. You know what I mean? Don't cry, don't ball. Back on my feet again. I'm back on my feet again. But I show Jah my problem, and Jah will solve them. I'm back on my feet again. Hello world. Cool world. Good world still, you know, give thanks to life, you know. So we're here again, bright and early in the morning. You know what I mean? Give thanks to life first and foremost, you know what I mean? Yeah. Just come back off of the road, left off. So you know, so now with that one place apart, we do not have a vehicle anymore. We cannot consider ourselves having a vehicle anymore, but we do need a vehicle now. So some of the money, I have some of the money already, but I do need some more money on it so I can get a vehicle so we can move around the place freely, you know what I mean? And I have to say thanks to the person that lent the vehicle, because we have it for about 4 months or so, or more. 6 months, 7 months. How long we have a vehicle for?
On 8 or 7 months.
Alright, but then we John there. Papa done there behind the camera now. Papa when they behind the camera. You understand? So we have enough camera people, you see? So but the whole movements do need a vehicle to move around because it make it more feasible and easier. because this is like a non-profit organization, and people wonder why I use so much people, but Jamaica full of talent, and I want to expose a lot of people as possible, because that's the only way you go start an industry. You know what I mean? But I'm starting from nothing. You know what I mean? I wish we did have a leadership in the country where you look out for the people them and the talent them that's here. So since we don't have that, I'm trying to be that person that don't think about nothing more than the mission at hand. Movie industry we are do forward, so I push the talent them forward. So I just push as much people as I can. You know what I mean? So this is my way forward. Movie industry must begin. You know what I mean? It has begun. But 200 movie gone already, and I want to do 1,000 more. Different story, because one day it's gonna be relevant, because I'm trying to preserve the culture that we have, so that one day when we done do certain things and done talk about certain things, we actually can watch back these movies. And so this was like it was. You know what I mean? Someone go different area across the island and catch places, because place and place go change over time. Someone catch different communities, different dress, different code, because all them used to dress back in the days is not all them dress now. So this is just a mission forward. We'll put in the work. And if you want to be a part of the movie business, like if you want, you know man, you want anything you want involved in, you can make the link. The number is on the screen, we'll write it on the screen. You see the number that you call it, that's how you get in contact with me, straightforward. You know what I mean? So you take what you take and you go do what you do. You know what I mean? So just reach out and see if we can come together. Because one of the things I look into, I ensure that I make a bomb. I reach out to my families them first. You know what I mean? And you hear the result when the time is right. You know what I mean? So we are at a harsh reality of life, where we as people need to help each other. You know what I mean? Because I'm trying to help with that I can do by fighting the war. You know what I mean? Anything I have, I put it towards I'm doing. That's the mission at hand, because at a country where there is no opportunity, you're fighting a war to create awareness that we are here, we got talent. We should have a channel, no, a TV station should say, that show our movie. In my own country, I cannot get a movie on TVJ or CVM. I don't know why, but that's a different topic for a different time. You know what I mean? Where we could get some finance from to move the thing forward. So anywhere in the world where there's a station, we could get a movie put on it, and where we could get paid from it, we welcome the opportunity, because we are talented and we have to prove that, and we are going to fight the war until everybody recognize our talent. Thank you for all those people that will recognize it and enjoy the movie on a daily basis, but it's like a non-profit organization. We're not making enough money to keep it afloat. So every money I make, I put it back in it. So I couldn't save money to buy a vehicle, but I have a little money put one side that we use buy food. Now we start Born Rebel, we start, you know, we not eat as much as we eat. We start cutting dog. Breakfast, we not eat breakfast again. We eat lunch, and maybe we eat dinner. So we have to do it because we have to get the vehicle, because it's needed, and the decision that we have to make. Survival. So thank you for listening. I hope this reached the right ears. Contact me and give me a donation towards the vehicle. Help me. We need a makeup. You know what I mean? So we can get the vehicle in time. Because we know can't move when we want to move. That's a problem. You know what I mean? If somebody gets sick, I have to carry them to the hospital. Anyways, at all, somebody wants something to eat, it's my time, you have to really go buy a bag of things out on the road and come back. With the first on the road. See the road there? You go way back around so, and then you go way back around so if we go to the first shop. But now I some market where we go way out of town out so. But so that's why I really need it. So it's what we can do. Do what you can do, right? I believe. So the people them out there, good people is out there. So I hope this reach to good people in my ears who really believe in Jamaica and a better Jamaica. That's what I'm fighting for. You know what I mean? From I have a daughter, I have a son. That's a different story. You know what I mean?